hair-based theme going on here. So Erica's been with us for 10 plus years now. And Erica is in our group, in the eDiscovery group, and she does a lot of varied things for the attorneys in the firm, including presentations, trial exhibits. She frequently gets calls late on a Thursday. Can someone have a PowerPoint ready for some sort of presentation Friday morning, and just make it say whatever they're thinking in their head, and if she could get that done right away. The team also does a lot of social media capture, website capture of information that exists on various websites, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, etc. And as long as people give us the information as to which John Smith it might be, then Erica will grab that information using one of the tools that we have and make sure it's available for downstream use. One of the other skills that Erica has is the ability to find out which John Smith it is if you don't know. And Erica really stalks like a champion. So one of the things that we thought to make this a little bit interesting was to see what we might find if we stalked Erica's Facebook page. So we got a listing of things, and then well, we did run that by HR. So we can't do that one. Can't do that. No, there's a lot of pictures of her kids. Okay. So there's throwback pictures of her looking like a possessed child. Okay. Stories about dating escapades. Those are lots of fun. We ran through, again, a series of those that we're not able to describe. There's an odd fascination with Wiccan holidays. So Erica is a second level, what's the thing called, a priestess in the Wiccan tradition. And they just finished celebrating Imbolc, which is a holiday celebrating the beginning of spring where you gather with all your female friends and drink lots of wine. Next up will be Beltane, celebration of the earth energies, where you gather with lots of girlfriends and drink lots of wine. I'm not sure the rest of those made it in, but it's a treasure having Erica on the team. It's a delight to have a team room where things can get said that stay in the room, and that makes things interesting and fun. And it's also nice to get emails on the odd Tuesday or Thursday for people that Erica's been working with saying, "Oh my God, how did this get done? How did this turn out the way it did? We won the whatever it was." So, thanks a lot for everything that you do.